Hi guys, welcome to Byhnoorvision. Today we are making yummy and tasty butter chicken curry. So for that we need half kilogram of chicken, about 2 big size tomato puree, half cup of butter, half cup of cream or milk, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, about 4 green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of julienne chopped ginger. Now let's begin our. Alright guys, now it's about time for us to add butter. Garlic paste in it. Let's fry them for about 2 minutes. Alright, now I am adding our chicken in it. I used boneless chicken because it gives good taste in butter chicken. So make sure to use boneless chicken when you are making butter chicken curry. Now let's fry our chicken for about 3 minutes and then we will add tomatoes in it. Alright guys, now it's about time for me to add turmeric and chili powder. I am adding it in a corner. Okay, now I'm adding tomato puree. After 2 to 3 minutes, we will add curry powder and salt inside our dish. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, now it's about time for me to add curry powder and salt. Alright guys, let it cook until oil separates. Alright guys, now it's about time for us to add some kasuri methi. And now I'm adding our julienne cut ginger. It's about time to add our cream or milk. Green chilies. Our dish is almost ready. Now let it cook for about 3 minutes more and then we will serve it. So this is our yummy and tasty butter chicken ready for us to taste. Make sure to make this dish and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.